being eaten.
Oh, I wasn't being eaten. That monster is my friend. I thought you might like to meet him.
I would be delighted to meet him.
Well, in that case, SpongeBob, I would like to introduce you to...
Don't panic. Introduce me first. Then he'll say his name when he meets me.
I'd like you to meet my friend, SpongeBob.
And you are? Nice to meet you, Mr. Brown. Well, Rod, now that we're friends, I would like to show you my home.
And this is my home.
Where is your home? Oh, it doesn't have a home.
Doesn't have a home? Wait a minute. You can live under my rock if you want, Robert. Wow, the police have arrived.
And they built a cute little fence around Rod. Hi, Squidward, you're home early.
Howdy, buddy. Where you going?
I live here. What's so funny?
Oh, the thought of anyone living in a pile of gravel.
I'll have you know, sir, that my home is a pile of gravel.
Sir, don't yell at me. We don't want to be